alert. Please listen carefully. We need your help. At approximately 2 p.m., 4-year-old Marsden Ellis Hart was abducted from 9611 Dawning Court, Austin, Travis County. Marsden Ellis Hart is a white male. He is approximately 3 feet, 9 inches tall, weighs approximately 42 pounds, has brown hair and brown eyes. Marsden Ellis Hart was last seen wearing a black t-shirt and black shorts. The suspect is described as Selena Jean Hart, white female, birthday 6/24/1981. She was last seen traveling south on Mopac at 2244 in a dark green 2010 Ford Fusion. Texas license plate number LGV3638. If you have seen this child or have information about the incident, please call Detective Andrew Hoffman at 512-264-5457 or call 911 immediately.
Huh?